Hi, Judd here. A little bit of work on the garden today, squeezed in between the rains and the chiropractor and various other things. I added some more stone out there and finished off this side to under the porch. And I did this side, cleaned up the material from the repair the other day and added the white stone there and get that out there. As you can see, we just go to under the porch. Basically that's to handle the drips from the roof, which come out about a foot. The ferns I dug out of there, what was left of them, and planted them elsewhere out in the shady side. And this I finished off and took into under the porch. And I added the stone here because the outer edge of the roof up there drips right down there and was wrecking things. So that'll be fine now. And one other thing, I took this out of the form. This is that leftover concrete. I got about 1.5 inches there. I got that fairly pretty looking little 16-inch square, which will go under there, which will make it easier to mow because it'll be out far enough from the bird bath that I can get the mower over the grass and run the wheels on that, whereas mowing it now is almost impossible. So a clever use of leftover resources. Now I'm going to hit the pool, which is running over anyway because it's been raining, and I let some out and I damn near washed away the southern half of the pool, eastern half of the pool, but mainly because I'm hot and sweaty because it is humid as all get out here, and I'm gonna go in the pool, and that cures a number of ills. Happy day to you.